Hello students, in the previous video we have done question number 6 of exercise 4.3 class 9th maths, and in this video we will start from question number 7. What is the statement? Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contribution as rupees X and as rupees Y. Draw the graph of the same. Firstly, it is given that Yamini and Fatima are two students of class 9th. They both contributed rupees 100. And in the hint it is also given that we may take contribution of Yamini as rupees X and contribution of Fatima as rupees Y. Therefore, according to the statement, we can write here X plus Y total contribution is rupees 100. Now we have to draw the graph of this equation. First of all, we will put the values. When X equal to 0, then value of Y is 100. When X equal to 10, then value of Y is 100 minus 10 is 90. When value of X is 20, then value of Y is 80. Therefore, required points are 0, 0, 100, 10, 90 and 20 and 80. Now we will draw the graph of these points. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. On this side we have taken points 10, 20 up to 110. Similarly, on the y-axis we have taken points 10, 20 up to 100. First of all, we have to plot the point 0 and 100. 0 is from x-axis and 100 is of y-axis. 0 is of x-axis, here is the point 0, 0. And here is the point 100. Then we get this one first point. Then second is 10 and 90. 10 is of x-axis and 90 is of y-axis. When we will join these both points, we will get this corner. This is the point 10 and 90. Then third point is 20 and 80. 20 is of x-axis and 80 is of y-axis. Again, when we will join these points, then we will get point 20 and 80. Then on joining, we get a straight line, which is a graph of the equation x plus y equal to 100. This one we have to draw. Then question number 8 of exercise 4.3 is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is a linear equation f equal to 9 over 5 into c plus 32. First is draw the graph of the linear equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. First of all, we have to draw the graph of this linear equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. First of all, we will solve this. First of all, it is a linear equation given f equal to 9 over 5c plus 32. First of all, we will take values of c and find out the value of f. When c equal to 0, then value of f is f equal to 9 over 5 into 0. This all will become 0 plus 32. 0 plus 32 is 32 degree. When c equal to 5, then f equal to 9 over 5 multiplied by 5 plus 32. Then 5 will be cancelled with 5. What is left? 32 plus 9 is 41. Then when c equal to 10, then f equal to 9 over 5 multiplied by 10 plus 32. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 32 equal to 50 degree. Therefore, we get the points. First is 0, 32. Second is 5, 41. Third is 10 and 50. Now on x-axis, we will take Celsius and Fahrenheit on y-axis. Then we will take points 0, 5, 10 on x-axis, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and on Fahrenheit scale we will take points 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now first point is 0 and 32. 0 is here and 32 will be here. Here is 30 and here will be 31 and next will be 32. Then is 5 and 41. 5 is on Celsius side, this is 5 and 41 is here. Here is 40 and with the 40 there will be 41. Therefore, we will get this point as 5 and 41. Then third point will be 10 and 50. 10 is from this side and 50 from this side. This is a point 10 and 50. Then on joining we get a straight line, which is the graph of this linear equation. Therefore, we can write here, this is a graph of a linear equation. Graph of this linear equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Okay, thank you students. In the next video, we will do the next questions of this exercise. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.